Bodyweight squats. There's going to be two angles that are very important when demonstrating a bodyweight squat. The frontal and the lateral. So starting at the frontal, we want to make sure that your feet are anywhere from hip to shoulder width apart. Your hip mobility is really what's going to determine how wide we need to have your feet. Your toes can externally rotate about 5 to 10 degrees. From there, we're going to spread the knees out over the second and third toes. So we want to make sure that there's no caving in at the knees or rotation happening at the hips. Spread the knees, reach your hands out in front to use your arms as a counterbalance, staying strong and firm throughout your entire foot, all remaining in contact with the ground. At no point should your heels rise up, and then right back up. Back down, and up. Now from the lateral view, things that we're looking for, as we come down, we want to keep our posture up. So the head and torso should not fall forward. The butt should be able to go straight down, and we shouldn't be rounding our low back at the bottom of the movement. So we want to keep a nice straight spine. Back up. Notice that my whole foot remains in contact with the ground at all times. Full hip extensions, locking the hips forward at the top of every rep.